Okay, here we are continuing with Chen 1, area of rhombuses and kites. You see here, they're the same formula. Pretty interesting. This example, they want you to find the second diagonal of a kite in which the area is 156 inches. So you take the formula, fill in what you know. If the area is 156 and diagonal 1 is 26, wham. Go through your steps of algebra and you get the answer. Pretty easy. I'm going to do a couple examples. Here you see we've got the equation, our formula. So this, fill it in. We're looking for the area, which we know is 1/2 times the product of the diagonals, which is 14 times 10. So half of 14 is 7 times 10 is 70 square centimeters. Problem 8 here, we're looking for that guy. So we'll call that D1. So the area is for 14 has to equal half of D1 times 23. Well, there's a couple, divide, either multiply both sides by 2. That's easier, in my opinion, which gives us 828 is equal to 23 D1. And 828 divided by 23 is 36. Oh, that's not an I, that's a 1. You get the picture though. All right, moving on. So we have a rhombus here. Say we just keep going. 90 has to be equal to 1/2 15 times the other diagonal. Multiply both sides by 2, which means 180 has to be equal to 15D2. And 15 goes into 180 12 times. Hopefully by now you've already hit stop and moved on to your homework. If not, we're going to finish these. Let's see here. We know the area has to be 39. 1/2 D1 times 6. So half of 6 is 3. Has to be equal to 39. So D1 has to be equal to 39 divided by 3, which is the best number in the world, 13. Don't argue with me. So here you have an algebraic representation. 16x is the area. It has to be equal to 1/2 D1 times 8. Well, half of 8 is 4, which means D1 has to equal 4x. So as x changes, the diagonal is going to, get longer. It's going to change the area. It's going to increase it multiplicatively. Last one. Area equal 1/2 D1 D2. Half of 4 is 2. Bang. I think that's it.